Let's work on improving our pronunciation of these two words in English. I also want to work with you on training your ear to be able to hear these two differences in pronunciation. What we're going to do is go through these words slowly so that you can really see what's happening with my mouth when I pronounce the two words. So hallow is something that is sacred or holy, and then we have the word hollow, which means empty inside. We're going to start with our first word. Hallow. 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 And as you can see, I'm really saying this word slowly so that you can see what's happening with my mouth. Hallow. Hallow. A little faster. Hallow. 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 Now our second word is hollow. 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 We'll go a little bit faster. Hollow. 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 Now what I'd like to do with you is I'm going to alternate between saying the two words so that you can really see and hear the difference in the two pronunciations. So we have hallow, hollow. 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 Now, for those of you that find this video very helpful, make sure to take a look in the description below. I have included my pronunciation help playlist. This is going to be a playlist that's going to help you with minimal pairs, or two words that are really similar in their pronunciation, except for one sound. Check it out.